When peace like a river attended my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot, thou hast taught me to say, it is well, it is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well, it is well with my soul. The songs is talking about the, I don't know how to say that, the affirmation of a person that trying to uh, that God trying to mold according to what God wants him to be, you know. And I think this year that's the very thing that what God wants to mold in me. That I may learn to accept everything that God's allow, knowing that He knows everything, and whatever He allows, whatever He do, whatever He decide for us, it is always for our own good. Yeah, because God can do everything. Even He can use evil things without Him becoming evil, to use that evil things to, to accomplish His plan. It's like what happened to Joseph. He was betrayed with his own brothers, sold to Egyptian, and there, from a slave, he became a prime minister of Egypt at that time, the powerful nation, the superpower nation at that time. And God is with him, and that's the most important thing. God is with him, and exalted him. But still his heart, despite of those position and richness that he has, still yearn for his own people, for his own identity in God. You know, he is an Israelite. He's not a pagan people who worship idols like the king he serves. But God is with him, and he's a humble man, submissive to God. And for me, I think, yes, God is making something within my heart, within my soul, within my attitude. And using everything, including those trials, those events that seems we don't like, happens in our lives. And yet, God is using them as long as we put our trust in Him and let His hand do everything. Allow Him to do everything, and just we only focus on trusting Him and believing in Him that He is a good God and He loves us. Thank you, baby. That one there is in your direction. And that one there, I like this place this time because more clear. And I like those pine trees. And no, that's not a pine tree. But it looks like a design of pine tree. The leaves. And besides him, I think that those are pinang. Yeah, always remind me of Taitong. I hope and pray, and I trust God that when you come back, I won't miss up and wasted. I won't wasted, miss up. I won't miss up with my time with you together. Yeah, that's it, baby. Love you.